Hi, I'm Simon. Today we are going to show you how to test and replace the door cable on your LG dishwasher. If you are experiencing issues like door not staying half open, falling down, or being too heavy to lift, it might be time to inspect or replace this part. Before we get started, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more practical appliance repair tips. Let's jump into it and get your dishwasher working like new again. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you to do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. For this job, we're going to need a power Phillips screwdriver, a pair of adjustable pliers, and a pair of Needlenose pliers. Also, please remember that safety comes first. Don't forget to unplug your dishwasher or turn the breaker off. And just to be on the safe side, turn the water supply off. With our tools in hand and safety ensured, let's move on to inspect the door spring and cable to get the dishwasher door functioning like new. The dishwasher door falls down if the door cables or the door springs break. To understand which one out of those two failed, we need to physically look at them. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove two screws out of the mounting brackets up on the top to free the dishwasher from the countertop. See if you can pull out the dishwasher for just half of the way. If it's sitting too high, remove two Phillips screws from the toe panel at the bottom, remove the panel and adjust the front legs. Then pull the dishwasher out. Look at the door cables and springs on both sides of the cabinet. Most likely one of the door cables is broken, possibly both. If the cables are good, check the door springs. If you find only one cable broken, replace both cables. Make sure the door is closed and remove the plastic end piece from the hinge. Then remove the other end from the door spring. If we are dealing with broken door spring, just remove both, the cable and the door spring. It makes sense to replace both parts at the same time. This is the old door cable and a door spring next to the new ones. If you don't have these parts, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Now let's install the new cable and the spring. The longer hook of the spring is attached to the base at the back. First, make sure the rear spring hook is anchored at the base. Then place this end of the cable with a small slot on the front spring hook. Thread the cable around the rollers and grab the cable next to the plastic clip with your needle nose pliers. Pull on the cable and slide the clip onto the hinge. Repeat the procedure on the opposite side. Open and close the door to check how it works. Push the dishwasher on the counter, adjust the legs if needed, install the toe panel and secure it with two Phillips screws. Open the door and place two more Phillips screws to secure the brackets to the countertop. Plug the dishwasher in, open the water supply. You can put another victory under your belt. Great job tackling your dishwasher issue and well done on getting the door cable replaced. You can put another victory under your belt. We would love to hear about your repair journey, so feel free to share your experience in the comments below. If you still need a replacement part, be sure to visit AppliancePartsPros.com with your model number, and you will have it in no time. Most orders arrive within just a couple of days. Thanks for trusting us with your repair needs, and we look forward to supporting you on your next project.